Hello, I am Marlene Pamilaran, your presenter for this topic. So, our topic in this presentation is definition and importance of business correspondence. What is business correspondence or BC for short? Alright, so before we move on, let's first understand what BC really means. Simply put, BC is the formal way of sharing information in writing, like letters, emails, or reports to help or record business transaction. It acts as the official bridge of communication in business. This can be internal, meaning with the company. Example, memos or notice to staff. Or external, meaning outside the company, like letters to clients, suppliers, or government offices. As long as it official and creates a record that's considered business correspondent. Why does BC matter? Now you might wonder, why do we need to be so formal? Why not just send a quick chat or call? The reason is the business correspondence has a long-term effect. It's not just about sending a message. It's about showing professionalism, keeping things clear, and protecting the company image. Why it's important? Evidence goodwill expansion. There are three main reasons why business correspondence is important. First, it serves a legal evidence and a record. In a business, you always need proof. A written letters or email can serve as solid evidence of what was agreed upon. Unlike phone call or message that can be forgotten, written communication can be reviewed anytime we needed. Second, it shows goodwill and professionalism. Every, every letter or email represents your company. If it's polite, clear, and well written, it builds trust and respect. But if it's careless or rude, it can harm the company reputation. Third, it's help business expansion coordination. We can't always meet client or partner in person, right? So through written communication, like proposal or reports, we can reach more people, manage different, and keep everyone aligned with the company's goals. Summary the 7 C's of communication. Number 1, clear. 2, concise. 3, correct. 4, courteous. 5, considerate. 6, complete. 7, concrete. Conclusion. To sum it all up, business correspondence keeps a business organized, professional, and connected. It's the official way to turn ideas into real action.